Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm reviewing a micellar water. Yeah, you guys know I'm not a micellar water fan, but still, you know, this was a world famous product, so I thought let's try this one out. This one is from Bioderma. It's their Sensi Bio H2O. It's for sensitive skin and it's for makeup remover and for daily cleansing as well. So I'm gonna review this product with a live demo, and then we're gonna see whether this work or not and whether you should go for this or not. So if you're interested to know about that, then please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit on that red subscribe button down below and hit on the notification bell as well, so you never miss any of my videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then come and follow me there to stay updated for upcoming videos. And now without wasting a minute, let's get started. So that's how this product look like guys. ये 100 ml की quantity मैंने pick करी है, and product is fragrance free, perfume free, and it's a dermatologically tested product. Now let's dive right into the demo part and let's see whether it remove the makeup or not, and whether I will like it or not, and whether I will recommend this or not. Alright guys, so that's my skin right now. There is this waterproof mascara on, there is this liquid lipstick on. Now let's see how well this remove this makeup. I generally don't prefer micellar waters to remove the makeup because मुझे वो लगता है कि बार बार ऐसे घिसना पड़ता है, बट लेट्स सी ये कितने इफेक्टिवली मेकअप को रिमूव करता है, बिकॉज मैंने इसके साथ एक बार सनस्क्रीन जरूर रिमूव करके देखी थी, सो वो आराम से निकल जाती है, बट दिस वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा का आई हैव नो आइडिया. सो लेट्स टेक द कॉटन पैड एंड लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन आउट. This much is sufficient, I think. Now let's see. Let's remove the base makeup first. You can see. Now let's try the lipstick. Wow, in just one swipe it has removed the liquid lipstick as well. Now let's take another one for the eyes, and I'm gonna take good amount here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna keep it for 5 seconds. Yeah. निकल तो रहा है बट उतना ज्यादा नहीं निकल रहा है, लाइक जैसा निकलना चाहिए. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से. So guys, you see बेस मेकअप बहुत अच्छे से इसने निकाल दिया, लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, काजल सब निकाल दिया है, बट दिस मस्कारा ये नहीं निकाल पा रहा है, विच इज वाटर प्रूफ. उसको ये नहीं निकाल पा रहा है. सो आई एम नॉट गोना हर्ट माई आईज, एंड मैं अभी क्लिनजिंग ऑयल ही यूज करूंगी इसको रिमूव करने के लिए. सो फाइनल वर्ड्स, यू नो, एज मैं सारे माइसेलर्स के बारे में जो बोलती हूँ कि दे आर गुड फॉर जस्ट फॉर डेली क्लेंजिंग. लाइक अगर आपको सनस्क्रीन रिमूव करना है then it's fine, but for makeup remover I would not recommend the micellar waters. For that I think you should go for the cleansing oils, cleansing balm. I think they work much better and much effectively than this. And still like after cleansing balm and all, still then you can use this one to remove any excess dirt if left after face wash. But for makeup remover I will not recommend this, but for daily cleansing and cleaning your sunscreen you can go for this one, but for makeup remover I think no. Okay guys, I have washed my face. Now let's see if anything is left or not. You see there is nothing is left. Now let's see in the eyes. upside is fine. Now let's see. वाटर लाइन पे हमेशा रह जाता है. You can see वाटर लाइन पे थोड़ा बहुत काजल रह गया था. So I would say you can incorporate this if you wanted to do a triple cleansing. Like once you're done with your oil cleansing, then उसके बाद आप इसके साथ अपना जो भी बचता है मेकअप उसको क्लीन कर सकते हैं. And then उसके बाद either you can use a face wash or you can just splash water and you are done. That is it guys, that's all about this video. I hope you found this video helpful. वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी, अच्छी लगी, लाइक जरूर कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. मिलती हूँ आपको अपनी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अपना ध्यान रखना. बाय बाय.